Have you taken your breakfast? Yes, good. I like when you take your breakfast because I'm pretty sure that you can focus in my class. Alright, first thing first, I want to ask you, do you know what this molecule is?
No.
You can touch it?
I want.
Okay. This the black one represents C atom, which is carbon.
Here, we have it.
Okay. The red one represents O atom, which is oxygen. So now, can you identify what the molecule is?
Carbon dioxide.
Which one carbon dioxide?
This one.
Yes, good
This one
Nadia.
carbon.
Yes,
Oxygen.
carbon dioxide, right? And the one that Fatini hold is?
Of course lah, oxygen.
Yes, good Fatini, oxygen. Okay, now we move on to these pictures. Okay? I want to ask you first. In our previous class, we have learned about this diagram. Do you remember what topic is?
Yes, respiration.
Yeah, yes,
Wow,
Nadia,
Nadia, you so
respiration.
clever.
You're so clever. Do you go to tuition?
Yes.
Alright, respiration. Okay, so what is the relationship between this image and the molecule that you hold just now?
I think I know.
Yes, Izian.
For outbreak process,
Yes.
we exhale carbon dioxide.
Alright.
While for in-breath,
Yes.
we inhale oxygen.
Yes, good. We take in oxygen, right?
Yeah.
Alright, this happened in us as a human being. So the second image is this. What is this?
Plant.
Plant, green plant, right?
Yes.
So have you ever think how green plant breathe?
I don't know.
You don't know, right? Is it green plant also take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide like us?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn today.
Right.
We as a human, we do respiration process, right?
Yes.
But plant make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Okay, first thing first, before we start, in order for us to love something, we must know the definition of it, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we go first to the definition of photosynthesis. Can you see my handwriting?
Yes.
Okay. Nadia, can you read for me, please?
The process by which the plant turn
Turn water.
and carbon dioxide into the glucose and oxygen in the presence of the sunlight.
Okay, so here I have bolded it with the red marker, which is 5 things. The first one, water, carbon dioxide, glucose, and oxygen, and sunlight. Okay, this is the raw material needed for photosynthesis to happen, in which photosynthesis is the process when plants turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. But there is one condition, it must be in the presence of
Sunlight.
Yes, sunlight. Good. Okay, so we take a look at the raw materials needed for photosynthesis to happen, which is the first one, sunlight. Do you know why plant need sunlight?
The nutrient?
Nutrient and
Because sunlight provide energy.
yes, what energy is it?
Light energy.
Yes, good. Because sunlight provide
Energy.
light energy. Alright. The second raw material is carbon dioxide. What is the molecular formula for carbon dioxide?
CO2.
CO2, as you can see in front of you. Alright, CO2. Where did plant get carbon dioxide? Do you know?
From us?
From us, when?
When we breathe out.
Yes, when we exhale. Alright, when we exhale, we take out the carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide will be taken by plant for them to undergo photosynthesis. Alright, the third raw materials is water. Alright, the molecule for water is
H2O.
Alright, H2O. So have you any idea where where plant get water?
I think when it rains, the water will absorb by the soil. So soils provide water to the plant.
Yeah, so you're very brilliant, Izian.
Very brilliant,
Alright? Yes, it's true what Izian said. Plants get water from the root of the plant and from the soil through the root of the plant. Alright. The next one, the important raw material is chlorophyll. Who know where chlorophyll be in the plant?
I know.
Yes, Fatini?
Leaf.
Leaf.
Yes.
Why leaf?
Because it don't at the stem.
Okay, so funny like you. Okay. Chlorophyll, you know right? Chlorophyll is at the leaf of the plant. because of chlorophyll is at the leaf of the plant, it yielded a green pigment. That's why leaf have green color. Okay? Okay, so this is all the raw material needed for photosynthesis. So what about the product of photosynthesis? Okay, who knows?
Glucose.
Glucose, oh, you read here, right? Alright, glucose. So the molecular formula for glucose is C6, H12 and O6. Right? And the second product is oxygen, which is O2. So where did O2 produced from the plant goes to?
When we inhale
Yes.
oxygen.
Okay, so we inhale oxygen from the product of photosynthesis. Okay, up until this point, do you clear about photosynthesis?
Yes.
Yes.
But I cannot imagine the clear image of the photosynthesis yet.
Alright, never mind. I'll make you clear. Okay? Okay. So next we goes to chemical equation involved in photosynthesis. Okay. H2O. What is H2O?
Water.
Water get from?
Soil.
From the soil, right? Yes. Okay. 6 H2O plus 6 carbon dioxide. Where do carbon dioxide come from?
From us.
From us, which is surrounding. Alright. Okay. So in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it will give glucose and also oxygen for us to breathe. Alright. Okay. So this time around, I will only explain to you briefly how photosynthesis take place. Alright. So this is the leaf, the leaf of the plant. Alright. As we know, at the leaf it contains
Chlorophyll.
Okay, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, it helps to trap light energy from the sun to make their own food, which is photosynthesis. Okay. So first thing first, we will take a look at the raw material needed, which is the first one.
Sunlight.
Alright, sunlight. Okay, so sunlight give light energy for photosynthesis.
Yes.
Alright. The second thing is water. Okay, so plant need water molecule in order for it to undergo photosynthesis. Water, as I mentioned earlier, it is absorbed from the root of the plant. Okay, the third raw material needed.
Carbon dioxide.
Alright, carbon dioxide. Okay. Do you know how carbon dioxide can get into the leaf of the plant?
Through the stomata.
Yes, good Fatni, through the leaf of stomata. Later on, we will take a look what stomata is actually. Alright, what stomata look like. Alright. And then, so the third raw material is carbon dioxide, and it enters the leaf of the plant through stomata. Alright. This is all the raw material needed. And what about the product of photosynthesis? It gives out oxygen. Okay, the molecule for oxygen.
O2.
Yes, O2. Okay, so the product of oxygen will given off to the air for us as a human being to breathe in. So the second product of photosynthesis is actually C6H12O6. It is glucose. I'm sorry, my bad. Just now I already starch. Okay, so I hope you don't confuse. Okay, it's actually glucose. Okay. Okay, so the second product of photosynthesis is glucose. Glucose is being stored as food in other parts of plants, or in the other words, glucose provide nourishment for the plants. Okay, have I made it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so would you like to do something activity that I call it as amazing? Because each and every one of you is going to be an actor.
Wow.
Okay, so now for the group activity, we are going to do something related to entertainment, which is role play.
Yay.
Okay, are you excited?
Yeah. Okay.
So the name itself is role play, right? So each and every one of you, okay, will play a role as the raw material for photosynthesis to take place. Okay, so Nadia, you will be the sunlight.
Wow.
Alright, sunlight. Fatini, you will be the water molecule
Water.
and also oxygen.
Alright.
Okay, remember? And Izian, you will be the green plant.
Wow.
Okay. So me myself will be the carbon dioxide and also glucose. Okay, so guys, I give you around 5 minutes to discuss among yourself the role of the raw material itself. Okay, and later on we will conduct a role play entitled photosynthesis.
Alright.
Okay, let's discuss.
5 minutes later.
On a sunny day, always make their own food through a process called photosynthesis.
Hi, I am a plant. In order for me to undergo photosynthesis process, I need sunlight.
Hi, I am sunlight. I am responsible to provide the light energy for the plant to undergo photosynthesis.
Besides sunlight, I also need water.
Hi, I am the water and I come from the soil and move upward through the root of the plant.
Next, in order for me to undergo photosynthesis process, I need carbon dioxide. But where do carbon dioxide came from?
Hello everyone, I am the carbon dioxide. I came from the air surrounding when people undergo respiration.
Yay! Now I already have all the raw materials needed, so I can make my own food. But where do photosynthesis take place?
Photosynthesis take place at the leaf of the plant.
Why the photosynthesis does not occur at the stem of the plant?
It is because the leaf have a tiny pore is called as the stomata, in which the carbon dioxide enter the plant.
In addition, plant cell at leaf contain tiny structure called chloroplast, which consists of chlorophyll. During that process, carbon dioxide and water will get stored in the chloroplast.
Carbon dioxide
And water
In the presence of the sunlight,
And chlorophyll
will get converted into glucose and oxygen.
Now I am the oxygen. I will leave the leaf through the stomata.
Hello, I'm now the glucose. I will provide the nourishment for the plant and I will be stored in all part of the body plant.
Yay! Now I already know how green plants undergo photosynthesis process and make their own food.
So that's all from us. Thank
Thank
you. So guys, do you enjoy the role play?
Yes.
What do you think about the role play?
I think during the role play, I act as a plant.
Yes.
So right now, I already know how photosynthesis occur in a green plant.
Yes. So you get a better view, right, of
Yeah.
how photosynthesis happen.
That's right.
Okay. So instead of I only using the chalk and talk method, it is better when you yourself act as the plant, plant. So that you get a better view about how photosynthesis happen.
Yes.
Next, what do you think that we must do this type of activity, which is role play, for the next topic maybe?
Yes.
Why, Fatini?
Because I more understanding this topic because I take role as a water.
Yes, you get a better understanding, right?
Yes.
And also, I think when we do something activity like this, you are easy to remember on how process photosynthesis happen. Is it right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so in order to test your understanding and to test even you remember or not, I would like to call a representative to write a chemical equation for photosynthesis.
Should go. I will
who's
go.
the lucky one?
Yes! Give a clap to Fatini.
My
Alright, Fatini, so you can choose your marker, please.
Okay.
Alright.
Make sure it's correct.
Alright.
It must be correct so that it proves that you understand how photosynthesis happen.
Okay, yeah. What is the first raw material?
CO2.
Okay, good one.
What is CO2? Yeah.
Carbon dioxide.
Next is O.
Okay, water in the presence of
Sunlight. Which
Alright.
is Yaya.
sunlight and
Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. Okay, will produce
Glucose.
glucose and also
Oxygen.
oxygen. Yes, so you have to balance the chemical equation.
Alright.
Alright. So 6H2O, 6CO2 and oxygen?
Perfect.
6 oxygen. Okay. Fatini, do you have any question to your friends?
Okay, Yaya. Why we need the chlorophyll?
Okay, chlorophyll is help to
Trap?
the sunlight,
Okay.
which is light energy
Yes, good. Yeah,
into
yeah.
the leaf.
Yes, good. That is why photosynthesis take place at the leaf, because
Yes.
at leaf we have chlorophyll that help to trap sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay.
Okay.
Have I made it clear?
Yes.
Do you have any
Clear.
other questions?
No.
Okay. Till then, I will meet you for the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.